Hey everyone, welcome to the show. I am the Fire Escape Griller, and it is officially the American football season here in the US. I'm very excited about that because it's also tailgating season. So I've decided I'm gonna do a mashup of two of my favorite tailgating foods. Today I'm grilling a jalapeno popper stuffed burger right here on the Fire Escape. We're going to start this video off by making the jalapeno popper filling, and that starts with a dollop of cream cheese. To that we're going to add a handful of shredded cheddar, and we're going to mix these together using a fork. And I should mention that you should use room temperature cream cheese. I did not do that here, and it's very difficult to mix, but once it comes up to room temperature, it's a lot easier to mix together. Next thing we're going to add is a little bit of Cajun rub, or whatever your favorite rub is. Some diced jalapeno peppers with the stems and seeds removed, and some cooked bacon that I chopped up. Mix these together and you've got yourself a delicious jalapeno popper filling. Now to make the burger, I'm using the Cuisinart 3-in-1 burger press. I'll put a link to this down below in the description box. You simply place in some ground beef. I'm using 80-20 ground beef, and press it. And then you remove this little part and it reveals a smaller presser. You press again, and it creates this nice little pocket where you can put your stuffing. So we're going to add a couple of spoonfuls of our jalapeno popper stuffing. Then you place a little bit more beef on top of that. Replace the larger presser cap. Press down. And we've got ourselves a stuffed burger. Let's even it out a little bit. Add some olive oil. And then of course you want to salt and pepper both sides. And we are ready for the grill. Out here I've preheated the Weber Q for about 10 or 12 minutes, and I'm going to grill this burger. This is a fairly large burger, so it's going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. And then we'll give this a flip. Close the lid again and keep on grilling. And just like that, our jalapeno popper stuffed burger is ready to come inside. While the burger rests for a minute, I'm going to quickly toast up a brioche bun. And when you're using brioche, you got to be careful because these things cook very, very quickly. So about 45 seconds later, these are ready to come inside. Now let's put this burger together. Cut it in half. Let's take a look inside. You can see that jalapeno popper filling. And how gorgeous is that? I don't know about you, but I'm ready to take a bite of this burger. Man, that is phenomenal. Jalapeno popper stuffed burger, grilled on a fire escape in Brooklyn, New York. Okay, that right there is one heck of a burger. This is the first time I've tried this recipe, and it is definitely a keeper. If you make burgers like this at a tailgate, you're going to be the most popular person in the entire parking lot. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe, and of course, keep on grilling.